7410 right here at the range. I'm going to be shooting the Marlin. It's got one of those modernized stocks on it, 50 yards. We are, line is hot, firing line is hot. Let's see what we can do here. Oh! That's it. 7410 Ray. Saying God bless America. Long live the Republic. And remember, guys, freedom ain't free. That's what I always do when I come out. The range. So I can get my finger, my muscle memory, and everything smoothed out. Requires the same thing. It's the 30-06 or any other weapon. That's it. God bless America. Long live the Republic. And remember, guys, freedom ain't free.